Will your lowering springs keep the factory comfort dynamic system from working when it goes from soft to stiff? Yes, absolutely. Our springs do not affect the shock damping control that the various methods that Audi employs. Our when it comes to a suspension, the spring does one thing and the damper does another. And so the spring sets the baseline system, the stiffness of the oscillating system, and then the damper keeps that oscillating system in control or keeps it from excessive oscillating. So when the suspension encounters a bump, the stiffness of the spring reacts to that road irregularity, but the spring would then go into a cycle of oscillation after being excited, and the damper counteracts that and slows that down. So the spring does one thing, the damper does another, and thanks to that idea or concept, you can increase the stiffness of the spring, and you can still control the stiffness of the shock or damper separately. So no issues there, and our springs are designed to work with the factory shocks and damping system.